Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to forward emails in Gmail PC. So you want to forward a particular email, maybe a client has just sent you an email and you need to forward it to your friends. Here's how you can get it done. So I'm just going to look for a particular mail right here. Okay, good. Let's say this particular mail, which is a credit alert on my app. So I want to forward this particular mail to a friend of mine. So I'm just gonna come down here and click on this three dot icon. You can see once you open that mail, drag the mouse to this three dot icon right here. Actually it's for reply, and the three dot icon, which is more option, click on it, then click on forward. Once you click on forward, it will yield message, the inbox message. It takes it to a field where you can send it again. You can see it comes with other options, which is you can even attach if you want. You can also insert links if you want. You can insert emoji. You can also insert Google Drive files from here. You can also insert an image if you want. You can add some sort of credentials, and you can also add more to this mail, even though you're not So even though you are not the original, you can also add to it. So when you're done, then click on the option where you want to forward it to, this is concerned how it just means that this thing is going out to your response. So you can easily add a recipient, which is to look for this is Martin Daniel Damilari. So if you want to send this particular mail to Daniel, so I'm just gonna add him, and you can see his name right there. Then I'm just gonna hit the send button, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.